Welcome to my YouTube channel Gamars. Today, we get review about Multifunctional Car Seat Organizer. Title: Streamline Your Drive. A comprehensive review of the Multifunctional Car Seat Organizer in the hustle and bustle of daily life. Maintaining a clutter-free car interior can be a challenging task. The Multifunctional Car Seat Organizer emerges as a solution to this common problem, promising not only to tidy up your vehicle but also to enhance your driving experience. After putting it to the test, I am eager to share my thoughts on this ingenious automotive accessory. The first thing that caught my attention was the organizer's design, a thoughtful combination of functionality and aesthetics. Crafted with durable materials and a sleek profile, it effortlessly blends into the interior of any car. The neutral color choices complement a variety of car interiors, ensuring that it doesn't just serve a purpose but also adds a touch of sophistication to your vehicle. One of the standout features of this organizer is its multifunctionality. Equipped with an array of pockets, compartments, and holders, it transforms the often underutilized space between the car seats into a storage powerhouse. The various sized pockets cater to different needs, accommodating everything from water bottles and snacks to gadgets and important documents. The inclusion of a dedicated slot for a tablet or small laptop is a thoughtful touch, making it a versatile companion for both daily commutes and road trips. Installation proved to be a breeze, a crucial factor for those who prefer hassle-free solutions. The adjustable straps securely anchor the organizer to the car seat, preventing it from shifting during sudden stops or turns. The universal design ensures compatibility with most car models, adding to its appeal. Durability is a key consideration for any automotive accessory, and the Multifunctional Car Seat Organizer doesn't disappoint. The robust construction and reinforced stitching suggest a product built to withstand the rigors of daily use. The easy-to-clean material is another practical feature, addressing the inevitable spills and stains that come with life on the road. As with any product, there are minor areas for improvement. While the organizer excels in providing accessible storage, a slightly larger tablet slot would be beneficial for users with larger devices. Additionally, an option for customizable dividers could enhance its adaptability to individual storage needs. In conclusion, the Multifunctional Car Seat Organizer offers a smart and stylish solution to the perennial problem of car clutter. Its durable construction, easy installation, and versatile design make it a must-have for anyone seeking to optimize their car's interior space. From daily commuters to family road trippers, this organizer proves to be a valuable addition, transforming the chaos between car seats into an organized haven for essentials. Streamline your drive and enjoy the convenience this accessory brings to your on-the-go lifestyle.